are flooded in low-lying areas of Warwick and Cranston near the Pawtuxet River. Impacted roads include River Street, Pioneer Avenue, Bellows Street and Venturi Avenue in Warwick. At 10:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Monday, the stage was 7.6 feet. Bankville stage is 9.0 feet. Forecast: the river is expected to rise above flood stage this evening to a crest of 9.5 feet just after midnight tonight. It will then fall below flood stage late Wednesday morning. Flood stage is 9.0 feet. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood. This has been a test of the... This test is conducted each Wednesday at 11 a.m. Specially programmed receivers are alerted for specific watches, warnings and advisories. In the event that severe weather is expected on Wednesday, or there is inclement weather, the test is postponed to the next fair weather day. This concludes this test of the NOAA Weather Radio and SAME alert systems. Here is the official national Monday. The extended marine forecast for western Long Island Sound. .500 Cape Cod, Massachusetts to Virginia. This is the National Weather Service Office at Brookhaven National Laboratory in Upton, New York. The preceding signal was a test of the NOAA All Hazards Radio Public Warning System on station WXJ42 from Meriden, Connecticut. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service at 11 a.m. each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can sometimes occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. To provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for all counties in the state of Connecticut, and for Nassau and Suffolk counties on Long Island in southeast New York. Set, Sussex, Union and Warren. And in southwest Connecticut, Fairfield. Once again, this was only a test. Here is 50%. This is a test of the NOAA Weather Radio Warning Alarm device for WXL34. We activate this alarm for the following counties in New York State: Albany, Rensselaer, Montgomery, Fulton, Saratoga, Schenectady, Schoharie, Greene, and Columbia counties. This has been an alarm test. the radio's warning alarm system. The attention signals you just heard will automatically activate special receivers to warn of the impending hazard. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm feature will vary with distance from the transmitter. This test is conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, but may be postponed if there is hazardous weather in the region. In that case, the test will be held on the first available good weather day. We now return to our regular programming. And now here are the four